Hi, Mandy Hofford, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Fresh out of the shower, I thought I would share real quickly how I use Norwex products to get myself clean and ready for the day. So I, in the shower, used the Norwex shampoo and conditioner. Love them. My hair feels great. It's going to look great in a little bit. I also use the shower scrub mitt on my hand, and I put a little bit of the Norwex shower gel and clean my body. You can use it without any shower gel, and that works super great. I just happen to like a little bit of the shower gel. I get my legs prepped for shaving and armpits and do that in the shower. And once I get out, and also I use the back of the body scrub mitt. Maybe I said that wrong just a second ago, but I use the back of the body scrub mitt to get all of the dead skin sloughed off of my face, and also my legs particularly have a lot of dry skin this time of year, summer. So that's my shower routine, and then I get out of the shower, I grab my Norwex towel and get all dried off, and grab my my hair pick, and go through my hair, and then flip it over and put this awesome, amazing hair turban. I know I look fantastic in it, right? Love the hair turban. It is wonderful. The button goes at the back of the neck, and of course, when you flip your head over, your hair goes forward. Put the button at the back of the neck and get all your hair inside. Turn it a few times, and then just use the little loop here to go around that button. So then if I'm going to stand in the bathroom and have my family around, I love to use the spa wrap, which matches my hair wrap, which is, kind of awesome. But and then I put on my facial serum, and I put on my Norwex deodorant. I also used a little bit of the body balm on a spot on my leg that I noticed was kind of bothering me, and then day cream on my face. So that is my routine. I'm going to use the wrinkle release now, because I noticed that the shirt I grabbed was in need. And so, hey, why not finish it off with this? A little bit of the wrinkle release is amazing, because who has time for ironing? Not me. That would be up to my best friend. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.